Hello, all my dear viewers. Very warm welcome in my YouTube channel English Junction by JJ. Today I am going to explain you class 6th chapter 5 a view from a top question and answers. If you understand the explanation of my video, please like, subscribe, share and do comment in a comment box. What did Bachendri Pal do after she climbed to the top of Everest? So the answer for this question is after Bachendri Pal climbed to the top of the Everest, the first thing she did was to make herself safe by digging her ice axe into the snow. Then she looked around and saw the beauty of the mountains. She sank down to her knees in a prayer and kissed the crown of the peak. This is the answer for this question. So, the next question is, what were the challenges she faced while climbing Everest? The answer for this question is, while climbing Mount Everest, Bachendri Pal had to take every step with care, as the steep frozen slopes were hard but very brittle. Then, at the height, the winds blew the powdery snow around, which made it difficult to see. It was also terrifying to stand on a narrow rise with a sheer drops on either side. In fact, Bachendri's camp was once struck by an avalanche, and Bachendri had to be rescued from under the snow by one of her team members. This is the answer for this question, how she faced while climbing Everest. Here C means Bachendri Pal, how Bachendri Pal saved while climbing Everest. So the next question is, describe the training the Everest 84 team received. So the answer for this question is, the Everest 84 team members climbed almost 600 meters every day with a load of 12 to 15 kilograms on their backs. They spent hours in the gymnasiums every day. They swam and jogged to build their stamina and improve their lung functioning. They also had to eat protein-rich foods like milk, greens and sugar. So this is the answer for this question. So the next question is, Bachendri Pal enjoyed her childhood. Explain this statement with examples from the text. So we have to explain these questions with the examples given in your textbooks. So the answer for this question is, Bachendri Pal always dreamed of becoming a mountaineer, but she was also devoted to her studies. After class 8, she worked during the day and learned to swim so that she could pay for her education. She was a great dreamer as a child. She was never afraid to aim high, and she had the confidence that she would be able to make her dreams come true someday. Able to make her dreams come true someday, she fulfilled her greatest ambitions of climbing Mount Everest. Also, she was not worried about the hardship. Hardship means here worker. She was a hard worker. And discouragements. Even though her siblings made fun of her, she never gave up on her dreams. Thus, she enjoyed her childhood even when things were not very easy for her. So, this is the answer for your question. So, the next question is, it is from comprehension B. Mark these sentences as a true or not true. So, it's a true or false. So, we will, I'm just reading out the sentences. Everest is a very easy peak to climb. It's a very easy peak to climb. No, not all, not at all. So it is not true. We can write NT. So the next statement is Bachendri Pal's first feeling on reaching the peak, means mountain peak. Here peak means a mountain peak, was one of a devotion. Yes, definitely true. She was devoted for her dream from childhood also. So it is true. The next is the slopes of Mount Everest are steep and as brittle as glass. Is definitely true. Next is Bachendri Pal had no practice before her journey to the peak of a Mount Everest. Not true. She has practiced so many times. Very hard training. बहुत hard training किया था इन्होंने. So it is not true. NT. So the next sentence is the danger of climbing includes sudden avalanches. Yes, definitely true. The next is Bachendri Pal was a shy child who was dependent on her parents and brothers. Absolutely not true. It's NT. The next sentence, next question is, it's from a comprehension C, think and answer. From a think and answer, the question is, do you think Bachendri Pal was right to complete her education before taking up a mountaineering course? Explain with suitable reasons. So yes, the answer is yes. Further, Bachendri Pal was right to complete her educations before taking up a mountaineering course. A solid education is a good support for any career. With a postgraduate degree, she could take up a job even if, and it's a if and here, if and when she could not go trekking and could thus support herself. This is the answer for this question. Okay, so the next question is, it's from a grammar A part. The instructions is underline the correct conjunctions in these sentences. Underline the correct conjunctions. We have to underline the correct conjunction in these sentences. So option is already given in these sentences. We only have to underline. So here I'm not underlining. I'm just clearly mentioning answer. Here what the conjunction should be the correct. I'm just writing the correct conjunctions like this way. You can see in this page also. So the sentence is, the people started leaving the town but or as. So the correct answer is as. Started leaving the town as the cyclone came bearing down. So next is, you should leave a right now or. Option is and or. We can the correct option is here or. People, you should leave right now or you will miss the bus. Fourth one, Rahim should be gentle and patient with his pets or they will not listen to him. So the fourth answer is or. Fifth is, I found Tarun's and Amar's bags but I could not find my own. Correct conjunction is but. Next one is, the judge set him free, so the young man's family was delighted. The correct answer is so. So the next question is in a grammar contest only. So the grammar B part is there. You have to use and, but, or so to make compound sentences. Write them in your notebook. So the first is, you have to make a compound sentence. How it is, I'm just reading out. You can see the correct answers here also. Here the question is, you could buy Ali a book, you could buy him some chocolates. We have to add these sentences with the correct compound sentences with the help of and, but, or. Also we have to combine these sentences. So how I am combining here: you could buy Ali a book, or you could buy him some chocolates. I am just using or here for combining these two sentences. So the next one is, first sentence is already given, answer is already given in your book. So here I am just writing from a number 2. So number 3 is, his shoes were well polished, his socks were dirty. So I am combining these two sentences with a but. So our answer should be, his shoes were well polished but his socks were dirty. Next one is, the sentences, the sun went behind the clouds. Suddenly it became dark. So I am combining it with the sun went behind the clouds, so it became dark. I am just using so. The fifth one is, shall I go to Simla? Shall I go to Gangtok? It's a question mark. Here in both sentences is a question mark. So I am using here, I am just removing the question marks and adding here or. So the answer should be, after combination, answer should be, combining these sentences, the answer should be, shall I go to Simla or shall I go to Gangtok? So the next sentence is, everyone was busy, I went to the cinema alone. We have to combine these sentences with the help of so. So answer should be, everyone was busy, so I went to the cinema alone. So children, this is the questions from a book. This is all the answers. So if you understand the explanations of my video, please like, share, subscribe and do comment in a comment box. Thank you for watching my video.